Hey, we're gonna make some tomato sauce today. It's a super simple recipe. I went out of frame there. It lost me for a second. Maybe we'll take that again. Hey, how's it going? We're gonna make some tomato sauce. Hey, we're gonna make some tomato sauce. Hey, how's it going? We're gonna make some tomato sauce today. I got a couple cans of crushed tomatoes, so that's good. I'm gonna use those. Half of this onion. Also picked up some basil, some fresh basil from the garden, so that's gonna be good. I'm gonna put a bit of oregano and then butter. So the recipe calls for something ridiculous like 5 tablespoons of butter, but I think we can put more in. I'm also gonna put in some garlic, and that's probably about it. Maybe some oregano and some parsley, but that'll be good. And then we're going to pair that with, I'm going to do meatballs with sauteed onions and mushrooms as a topping, and top it with some Parmesan cheese. Damn. So yeah, sit back, relax. Probably not going to be on cam much, but we'll see as we go. All right. Bye.